Okay, so hopefully everybody's trucking along just fine now. Wanted to show you how it's looking. It's coming out. The buckle, the clasp is now an integral part of this collar. It's not sewn on. It's actually knitted right in there, so it's nice and secure. I've been going back and forth each row with my original cast on tail here. So it is getting woven in there, knitted in, sandwiched in between each layer. And I'm just continuing on in my stocking knit. I wanted to show you a couple of things here. If you're trucking right along and you're knitting over and you come to a peg with 3 strands on it instead of 2, don't freak out. It's okay. It happens to me all the time. All you do is lift this top loop. Hold on, you will lift your top loop off, hold it with your fingers, knit the bottom over the top, place your loop back on, knit the bottom over the top. And the reason that happens, oops, see, there's another one, is sometimes, oh no, that one had just, when you go to knit over, sometimes this will flop back off your peg and you don't even realize it until your next row. So that's why you just lift the one up that you just knit it over, and then put your fresh row back on. The other thing is, if you forget to, if you're forgetting to do your original cast on in between each row, if you forget just one row, don't worry about it and go ahead and just pick up at your next row, and it won't really make that big of a difference. If you forget more than that, then just don't do it, and I will show you how to weave it in at the very end. Because if you skip more than about 2 rows, you'll end up with this big piece running along the side, and I'd hate for it to get snagged once it's in its final form. So now you're going to keep on like this until your cast on edge has about 8 inches left, and then I will show you how to finish it off and keep going on your collar.